What are you speaking? Can't you say son-in-law? Call him my son-in-law. Hey, Sister Mithai, brother-in-law has come? At least so I thought. He has come. Go and see what he is doing. Your sister Mithai has no sense. She left him alone and came here. Okay, I'll go.
Parvati, Siddharth is here. We are so lucky that Siddharth is at our house. Oh my, I'm not able to believe this. So he has finally made up with Mithai. He couldn't stay without her. What? What?
Uncle, what are you whispering to mother? Listen, have you delivered the Indian sweet safely?
Oh yes, of course. Don't stand here. Go and ask him to wash his hand and bring him here. We have to serve him something. Parvati, have you done all the arrangements?
Yes.
Good.
I don't know whether he will wash his hands. Everything is disgusting.
Oh, Gulti, when did you come? All good? Is everything fine?
Yes, brother-in-law, everything is fine. We never thought that you will come so soon. Let's go inside.
No,
Come,
I'm
let's
fine.
go.
I'm absolutely fine. Don't worry. Okay? What are you doing there? Mithai doesn't stay here. You must be missing hanging out with her, am I right?
What happened, Gulti? Why are you laughing? Is there anything funny?
Sister Mithai, why are you getting angry? Brother-in-law is absolutely correct. I used to hang out with you.
Hey, listen, Gulti. Don't call me brother-in-law, please. Okay? You must call me brother Siddharth. Okay? By the way, what is she doing here? How many things did she break?
Tufan Mail.
Why are you laughing? And tell me, who is Tufan Mail?
Sister Mithai, he is referring to you. The name is perfect. It's for you. You're exactly like that.
You will get a beating from me. Gulti, be quiet. If anyone says anything about me, you will laugh at me. Oh, tell him to wash his hand and come for lunch. It's a soap. There is no liquid soap here. You have to wash your hand with this.
Did I say anything?
No, you didn't say anything, but you have said it.
Hey, Sister Mithai.
Oh, hold it. Give me.
Slowly. Control.
Give it. Take the towel. Now come for lunch.
Okay, Gulti, let's go for lunch.
Hey, come. Actually, you know what, Siddharth? We don't have a chair and table to offer you so that you can sit on it. You will have to adjust today and sit on the floor.
Aunt, I don't have any problem. I can sit down and eat. Why are you hesitating? Why are you staring at me like that? Nonsense.
Sit here.
You sit here. Oh, well, Aunt, will I eat alone? Gulti,
Hey, no. He will eat later. You eat now. There was nothing special at home. I used whatever was available at home to prepare something. You will find it difficult to eat.
No, Aunt, there's no problem. Actually, I eat less, so don't worry.
Hey, sister. Hey, son, do you eat this curry?
Listen, son. Parvati always prepares awesome food. Taste it.
Uncle, this Indian curry contains bitter gourd. Then he will definitely like it.
Aunt, has anyone told you that your daughter talks too much?
Uncle, people who don't know how to speak properly, how would they know how much a person should talk?
Hey,
Anyway, let me bring the Indian dish. Mother has prepared specially this Indian dish.
actually, you know what? My daughter is immature. No one knows what she says and what she does. Don't mind her words, okay? Now eat.
Eat, son, eat.
Listen.
What?
Listen. Everyone thinks about their profit. This is an opportunity. Tell him to find a good boy for Jilly as well.
Hey, Basanti, you talk rubbish. Let's go. The food is very tasty. Seriously. Thank you.
The Indian dish.
Keep it. Try this, Siddharth. You know, Sister Aarti taught me to make this Indian dish. I used to prepare, but it was different.
Aunt, Mom used to visit your house quite often.
Yes, we used to cook a lot together.
Aunt, I remember this taste well. Mother used to make it for us. Thank you.
Hey, Mithai. Why don't you make this once in a while for him? What sort of a person are you, Mithai? You always say he doesn't eat this, he doesn't eat that, but he eats everything. Eat, son.
Aunt, can I take Mithai home with me if you don't have a problem with that? Actually, the matter is that Nipa's engagement is near and everyone at home misses her a lot. Only if you don't have any problem, okay?
No, not at all. Hey, Mithai. What kind of a girl are you? Your sister-in-law's engagement is there and you came here? Yes, son, she will go. Of course she will. You must take her along with you. What a strange girl. She doesn't tell me anything.
Oh my! I can't take this any longer. I don't want this marriage. I want to stay alone. What happened? Why did you walk off?
I don't understand anything. And I don't want to bother anyone. That's why I came back to Jonai. Why will I go back? Why should I
Hey,
go
listen.
back?
I've been tolerating your drama for quite a while. Don't you feel ashamed to say all this? Did I ask you to come here? Have you done a favor by coming here? Everyone, including Grandpa, is blaming me. Nipa's engagement is about to take place. Do you remember that? You think yourself to be great. Quietly get ready. I'm waiting for you in the car. I don't want to listen to anything. Get ready and come. Aunt, I'm waiting in the car. Ask her to get ready and come quickly.
Mithai? I know, my child. There is some misunderstanding between you and Siddharth because of Torsha and you are hurt. I don't want to know the reason. But let me tell you one thing. He came from far to take you back home with him. And you won't go back? Don't do that, my child. Look, I'm sure you will agree on one thing. The boy is not bad at heart, isn't it? Don't cry. Don't cry, Mithai. Go back with Siddharth.
Uncle, we are running late, right? I think because of the way
I never thought I'll have to do something like this. Hey, stop. That's Siddharth.
Mother. See you then.
Aunt, we'll take your leave.
Drive carefully.
I was saying that you can come to our house whenever you want. I mean, your doctor stays there. So whenever you visit him, do come to our house. Don't hesitate, Aunt, please. Let's go.
Uncle, can you tell me what is going on here? I mean, Sid is here to take Mithai back home. Uncle, now, how will he get rid of her?
Even I can't understand anything, Torsha. Why is Siddharth acting so foolish? I know he's doing this just for my father. Turn the car. If he sees us, then we'll be... Siddharth is coming this way. Did he see us?
Leaving Mithai, where is Siddharth going?
Parvati? Isn't it Siddharth's dad? Tess, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you this question, Sid. I warned you so many times. Still, you came here to take mithai back. I mean, have you gone completely out of your mind? Will this girl give you a divorce after this? Sid, how many times will you take such decisions? How many times?
Sir, what are you doing? Why did you bring Tess outside Mithai's house suddenly?
Who is that girl?
Friend.
Darshav, I think we should leave now.
No, uncle. We won't go back. Please take out the divorce papers. Sid will ask Mithai to sign it. It's enough now. This drama must end now. We have come here to take Mithai's signature on the divorce papers. But now you will take her sign.
Tess, please don't create a scene here. Aunt is not keeping well. Sir, you don't value your father's emotions, but you expect me to respect you because you are my father. Sir, I'm very ashamed because of your cheap action, seriously. Didn't you think about Grandpa even once? Grandpa will be so shocked if Mithai signs on the divorce papers.
Siddhartha, you won't understand why I came to do all of this. I was doing this only for you. Only for you, Siddharth. For my own son. You don't understand my point and you never will. Darshav, get in the car. We must go now.
Aunt, I don't know what to tell you. I know that you must be having many questions, but Aunt, you should trust grandfather. Mithai won't face any problems in that house. I promise. I'll keep that in mind. You have seen that for yourself, Aunt. And didn't she tell you anything about it?
Why will I not say? We enjoy a lot there, haven't you seen? And you know, Mother, we always enjoy. And grandfather joins us as well. Aunt Opa comes. Sister Nipa's engagement is around the corner. We will enjoy a lot.
Look, son. I trust Aarti's son. You will get late. Siddharth, you will get late. You have a long way to go. You must leave now. Take care of yourself.
I'll see you, Aunt. You please take care of yourself.
Mother? I'll come again.
Okay.
Let's go. See you, Aunt. Take care of yourself.
If Mithai was here, she would have served us tea. It's almost evening, but no one have served my tea yet. You all know Mangla is new. At least you guys could have prepared the tea by now.
He always blames me, Appa. Don't I do anything? Tell me. Be quiet. Why are you talking, Sulata? Mongala, listen, you don't have to prepare the tea. Just stand here and observe. You just count how many cups of tea we need.